In today's video, we are going to show you how to play chess variants on chess.com using your phone, even though they are not directly available inside the mobile app. Because right now, as you may notice, most variants like 4-player chess, Crazy House, or King of the Hill can only be played through the chess.com website, not on the mobile app itself, because as you may notice, it is not available here. You can only play with a friend, play bots, play coach, or play in person. But don't worry, what you need to do instead is use your mobile browser. Now, open your mobile device's browser and then head over to chess.com and log in using your credentials. I want you to hover to the top left corner where you can see the 3 horizontal lines, and then click the play option and then scroll down until you find variants. Now from here, variants are available for you to choose from. You can sort by most popular, which is 4-player chess. Matter of fact, we have a separate video on how to play 4-player chess for both your desktop PC, even here on your mobile device, that you might want to check in our channel. Now, you can also sort by featured and more. You can scroll down, and if you have a specific chess variant that you want to, just type it here. Okay, you can search by title and games rule and a lot more. For example, we're going to choose chess 960. All I have to do is super simple. If you selected that, you have multiple options here on the drop-down menu. You can choose from 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Is it going to be random? Or you can play with a certain user profile or you're with your friend. Once you are happy, click on the play button and wait for the opponent to join your game. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to play chess variants on chess.com using your phone. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.